XL-4L Mobility Scooter is designed to provide increased mobility and convenience for individuals with restricted mobility, whether for indoor or outdoor use, particularly benefiting the elderly. It is equipped with a comprehensive LED lighting system, brighten the way at night. Its electronic control panel display is notably impressive, providing real-time updates on your speed and traveled distance. The model incorporates several exciting features, including a rear lockbox for storage, a built-in cup holder, and adjustable captain seat.